Hello everyone, welcome to my channel hdorionn. We are studying accountancy for class 12th from T.S. Grewal's textbook 2023 edition, Accounting for Partnership Firms. Chapter 2, Goodwill, Nature and Valuation. So let us see the basic concept of goodwill. So let us first understand the meaning of goodwill. As given in the book, goodwill is an intangible asset which places an enterprise at an advantage because of which the enterprise earns higher profits than normal. So it is an intangible asset. Intangible asset means an asset which cannot be seen or touched. Its physical existence is not there, but it can be felt, and because of goodwill, an enterprise is in a position to earn more profit than the normal profit. Normal profit is the profit which the market is earning, but this enterprise is earning more than what others are earning or normal profit because of some qualities, because of some advantages, because of some situation which is created in the business. And that good thing or that thing is known as goodwill. It is an asset because it helps the business to earn more profit. Therefore, it is an asset. Although it is an intangible asset, but it is a fixed asset. Goodwill is the present value of expected future profit that is likely to be in excess of normal return on investment or for the excess price paid for a business as a whole over the book value or over the computed or agreed value of net asset, that is asset minus liabilities. Now, goodwill is the present value of expected future profit. It means that why are we calculating goodwill? We are calculating goodwill to estimate the future earning capacity of a business. So therefore goodwill is calculated in partnership form of business also. Fine. So that we can know that how much potential the firm has to earn more than the normal profit. Goodwill may be said to be that element arising from the reputation, connections, or other advantages possessed by a business which enables it to earn greater profits than the returns normally to be expected on the capital represented by the net tangible assets employed in the business, as per Spicer and Pegler. So here we can understand that goodwill is an asset or something which is having the capacity to bring more revenue collections for the business, and it is generating out of reputation because it is very difficult to build reputation in the market. So if a business has built good reputation by satisfying the customers, definitely more customers will be coming to the business and their earning capacity will be more. So it is generated out of reputation. Connections, if you are having good connections in society, then also your business will improve because you will get more clients and customers. And other advantages, and here other advantages means if you are having a prime location in the market, or if you are rightly situated in a market, then also you will be receiving more and more customers and more favors you will get from the market. So other advantages, or say you have some articles to be sold or some services to be sold which no other person is selling, that also builds a good reputation in the market. For example, a very good hospital, a very good hotel, a very good school, such type of things, because of its extraordinary services which it is providing to the society, people will be connecting more with such type of business, and their business will grow, resulting in greater profits than the normal ones. So the characteristics or features of goodwill is that it is an intangible asset. It cannot be seen or touched, first thing. Second thing is that it does not have an existence separate from that of an enterprise. So the reputation of the goodwill and the enterprise both will be together. Fine. It cannot be separated. Then third is that It helps in earning higher profits. It leads to higher profit, then only it is a goodwill. Good name. Good name will result in higher profits of the business. It attracts customers. So more customers are drawn towards the business. Means you are satisfying the customers. Customers are happy with your services, and therefore more customers, which will ultimately lead to higher profits. Now it comes into existence due to various factors such as locational advantage. Fine. Goodwill is created when you are located in a good area in the market. Suppose the crowd is more there, so you will find that you get more customers than the usual ones. Means those shops which are at the outskirts of the city may not be having that much of crowd and customers as you are rightly situated in the city. Then favorable contracts. If you are having good contracts with people, then also if you are leading in good brands, because brands are reputation, people see it as a reputation, and as a result, when you are dealing in good brands, the profits will be more. Trademarks will also be the same. Patents, if you are having some patents to use some property of others' creativity, then also you will get good response from the public. Market reputation, how you have managed how you have built your image or reputation in the market, that is also helpful in creating more customers, bringing more customers, and earning good profit. Another characteristic is that value of goodwill is subjective, as it depends on the assessment of the valuer. There can be several methods for calculating goodwill. As per the suitability, the valuer evaluates it for its business. So it may differ from situation to situation, person to person. Formula used in the calculation of goodwill is also important. So it is subjective. It may be different. It may be calculated differently by different people in different situations. Then seventh point is that in the context of partnership, it is the value of share of profit sacrificed by the sacrificing partner. In the context of partnership, we will always see it as the share of profit which is sacrificed by the sacrificing partner. This point we will understand later when we are solving the numerical problems in this. Now let us see in the context of partnership, when is the valuation of goodwill required? It is required when there is a change in the profit sharing ratio. It means the new profit sharing ratio is adopted by the firm, and for that reason valuation of goodwill is a must. Then when a new partner is admitted, when a partner retires or dies, at that time also goodwill is to be calculated by the firm. When the partnership firm is sold as a going concern, when the whole business of partnership is sold to some other person, then also value of goodwill is calculated to ascertain the purchase consideration of the business. When two or more firms amalgamate means they join hand together, both the business are merged together, at that time also goodwill is evaluated. When a partnership firm is converted into a company, there are occasions in which a business is converted into other type of business, like a partnership firm is converted into company form of business. Here also valuation of goodwill is done. For our syllabus, we have to calculate goodwill by three methods, that is average profit method, super profit method, and capitalization method. So first let us see what is average profit method, in which the goodwill will be calculated on the average profit of past few years profits given in the question. So profit means normal business profit of the firm. Thus abnormal and non-business incomes and expenses are not considered. So when we are calculating goodwill by average profit method, previous few years profit is taken into consideration, but normal profit is taken. Abnormal incomes or abnormal losses are to be eliminated from the year's profit, so that we get the true assessment of the earning capacity of the business, based on which goodwill will be evaluated. In average profit method also we are having two simple methods. First is simple average profit method and weighted average profit method. These two methods we will discuss when we are solving the numerical problems given in the exercise part. So let us move to exercise. Question number 1. Goodwill is to be valued at 3 years purchase of 4 years average profit. Profits of the firm for last 4 years ending 31st March were 2020 rupees 12,000, 2021 rupees 18,000, 2022 rupees 16,000 and 2023 rupees 14,000. Calculate amount of goodwill. Now here 4 years profit is given and the clue is here that valued at 3 years purchase of 4 years average profit. So first we will calculate the average profit and then 3 years purchase. It means that average profit will be multiplied by 3 to get the answer or to get the amount of goodwill of the firm. Let us see the solution. So for question number 1, 4 years profit is given 2020, 2021, 2022 and 2023. Profits are given to us. First year's profit is 12,000 rupees. Second year's profit is 18,000 rupees. Third year's profit is 16,000 rupees. And fourth year's profit is 14,000 rupees. Now you add this 30,000 and again 30,000. It is 60,000. But this is not average. We have to calculate average profit. So average profit is equal to 60,000 divided by number of years. How many years? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 years divided by 4. So average profit is rupees 15,000. Now goodwill. Goodwill is equal to average profit multiplied by number of years purchase. Now what does this mean? Number of years purchase means the firm is expecting that this average profit will be earned in future for this number of years. In our question it is 3 years purchase. 3 years purchase means the firm is expecting that this average profit of rupees 15,000 will be earned for next 3 years. So this is the next 3 years. So the answer is 45,000 rupees. So the value of goodwill evaluated here is 45,000 rupees based on simple average profit method in which number of years purchase is given in the question. Now question number 2. Profits for the 5 years ending 31st March are as follows. Year 2019 rupees 4 lakh, 2020 rupees 3 lakh 98,000, 2021 rupees 4 lakh 50,000, 2022 rupees 4 lakh 45,000 and 2023 rupees 5 lakh. Calculate goodwill of the firm on the basis of 4 years purchase of 5 years average profit. Now the clue is here. 5 years average profit. So 5 years profits are given to us. Based on this we will calculate average of it and then we will multiply it by 4 because the same average profit is expected in the next 4 years by the firm. Let us calculate. So in question number 2, 5 years profit is given to us. It is 4 lakh rupees for the first year, then 3 lakh 98,000, then 4 lakh 50,000, then 4 lakh 45,000 and rupees 5 lakh. Grand total here will be average. Average profit we will calculate 21 lakh 93,000 divided by 5 years are given, so divided by 5, and our average profit is rupees 4 lakh 38,600. Now goodwill. Goodwill is average profit multiplied by number of years profit purchased. Number of years purchased. Now average profit is rupees 4,38,600 and number of years purchase is given in the book, that is 4. When you multiply this, you get an amount 17,54,400. This is the amount of goodwill calculated. It means the firm is expecting that in the next 4 years, the same average profit will be earned by the business. Based on that, goodwill is calculated rupees 17,54,400. Now let us see question number 3. Annu, Baby and Chetan are partners in a firm sharing profits and loss equally. They take deep into partnership from 1st April 2023 for 1/5 share in the future profits. For this purpose, goodwill is valued at 100% of the average annual profit of the previous 3 or 4 years, whichever is higher. Now, because a new partner is joining the business, this is the ground on which goodwill is to be calculated. So it will be 100% of the average profits of past 3 years profit or past 4 years profit, whichever is higher. Now here 4 years profit are given to us. The annual profits for the purpose of goodwill for the past 4 years were 2023 rupees 2,88,000, 2022 rupees 1,81,800, 2021 rupees 1,87,200, 2020 rupees 2,53,200. Calculate the value of goodwill. So by simple average profit method, we will calculate goodwill. So solution 3 we will see. 4 years profit is given to us. Grand total of which is rupees 9,10,200. But the question says that 3 years profits average profit we have to take or 4 years. So let us calculate 3 years. 3 years average profit. 3 years means which 3 years we will pick? Recent past, 23, 22, 21. These are the 3 years we have to take. We don't have to take 20, 21, 22 because there will be a remote past 3 years. But the recent past 3 years are 23, 22 and 21. So we will take average of this, which is equal to rupees 6,57,000 divided by 3. It is 2,19,000. And 4 years average profit is equal to this total, that is 9,10,200 divided by 4, and the amount is 2,27,550. Now the question says that 3 years average profit or 4 years average profit, whichever is more. So here when we compare these two, this is more. So our goodwill will be 2,27,550's 100%. So goodwill is 2,27,550. This is the answer. Now let us see question number 4. Purav and Purvi are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. They admit Parv into partnership for 1/4 share on 1st April 2023. For this purpose, goodwill is to be valued at 4 times the average annual profit of previous 4 or 5 years, whichever is higher. So like the previous question, here also we have to take average profit of 2 sets of profits, whichever is higher, 4 years profit or 5 years profit. Now, the agreed profit for goodwill purpose of the past 5 years ended 31st March are 2019 rupees 14,000, 2020 rupees 15,500, 2021 rupees 10,000, 2022 rupees 16,000 and 2023 rupees 15,000. calculate the value of goodwill. So let us see the solution for this. So solution 4. First we will calculate average profit of previous 4 years. Previous 4 years means 20, 21, 22 and 23 profits. We will not take 2019's profit because it is a far year. Recent past we have to take. So these are the profits, grand total of which is rupees 56,500. So average profit is equal to 56,500 divided by 4, and it is 14,125. Similarly, we will calculate average profit of previous 5 years. Rupees 70,500. Now we will calculate average profit is 70,500 divided by 5 years, so divided by 5. So average profit comes to be rupees 14,100. Now the question says that average profit of previous 4 years or previous 5 years, whichever is higher, we have to take that figure for calculation of goodwill. So this one is higher, so goodwill is equal to average profit, that is 14,125 into 4 times. So we will multiply it by 4, and the amount of goodwill is rupees 56,500. That is our answer. I hope that you have watched the full video and have understood the concept very well. If there is any doubt, then please put it in the comment section. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing and sharing this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.